Welcome back, traders, to today's video. We're going to be talking about how you can start Forex trading. This video is created for beginners so that you can shorten your journey of being well-rounded knowledge-wise in terms of Forex trading. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Number 1. Educate yourself. Before diving into Forex trading, invest time in learning the fundamentals. Understand how the Forex market operates, the major currency pairs, trading hours, and the factors influencing exchange rates. Learn about different trading strategies, technical analysis, and risk management. Numerous online courses, books, and tutorials are available for aspiring traders. So just to show you, one of my favorite websites to learn about Forex is babypips.com. Head over to your Google, type babypips, and this is the website. And this is how it is inside. So you get technical analysis made by people day by day, and you can get some lessons that are like this: what is Forex, how to trade chart patterns, and so on and so on, how to use RSI, relative strength index, and so on. So you can learn a lot in Baby Pips. It has all the information you need. I recommend you to just check it out and see if it will help you. So let's continue with our video. Number 2, choose a reputable Forex broker. Selecting the right broker is crucial for a smooth trading experience. Look for brokers regulated by respected authorities, offer user-friendly platforms, competitive spreads, and excellent customer support. Ensure they provide access to a wide range of currency pairs and offer a demo account for practice. So, the reputable brokers that we recommend to our clients is either Just Markets, which is just over here, or HF Markets or RoboForex. So these are our trusted brokers that we also use that haven't given us any problems. So Just Markets is this platform over here. So it is regulated by FSCA, which means that you can trust it with your funds basically. So this is the licensing that it has. You can click here to check it out. Number 3, practice with a demo account. Almost all reputable brokers offer demo accounts. These accounts allow you to trade with virtual money, replicating real market conditions. Use a demo account to practice different strategies, understand order types, and get comfortable with the trading platform without risking real funds. So as I said, Just Markets is one broker that we trust, which is FSCA regulated. So with this broker, you can also trade with a demo account, as you can see here. Open real account or start by opening a demo account. So it allows you to make live executions but in a demo account with fake money. So this is how you can practice your trading and gain knowledge about trading, how the pips, the points, and everything works in Forex. Number 4, develop a trading plan. Create a well thought out trading plan that outlines your financial goals, risk tolerance, and preferred trading style. So you might be a day trader, swing trader, or position trading. So it depends on your personality. So research about that and try and see which trading style fits you. Your trading plan should also include specific entry and exit strategies, risk management rules, and guidelines for analyzing the market. Number 5, master risk management. Managing risk is vital in Forex trading. Never risk more than a small percentage of your trading capital on a single trade. Use stop loss orders to limit potential losses and take profit orders to secure profits. Avoid over-leveraging, as it can quickly deplete your account in volatile markets. So what do I mean about that? Let's head over to this chart over here. So as you can see, if you are not wise with your risk management, you might take a trade, let's say over here, and you might put your stop loss over here. So let's look at the risk to reward. The risk to reward is 0.7, which is not really cool. Meaning that if you can get 50% of your trades correct, you'll be losing money than gaining money. So what you need to do is to have at least a 1:2 and above risk to reward ratio. So you should look for trades that are like this, that are like so, which have a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Or if your trading plan allows you, you can have trades like so, which have a 1:3 risk to reward ratio. So it all depends on your trading plan. So you should aim to have a risk to reward ratio that's greater than 1. Number 6, start small and gradually increase. As a beginner, begin with a small trading account. Trade with a conservative position size until you gain confidence and experience. As you become more proficient and successful, you can gradually increase your position size and trading capital. Number 7, stick to your trading plan. Discipline is the key to successful trading. Adhere to your trading plan and avoid emotional decision making. It's natural to experience both winning and losing trades, but sticking to your plan will help you on track and avoid impulsive actions. Number 8, keep learning and analyzing. The Forex market is constantly evolving. So meaning that trades that you took maybe on 2020 won't be the same with trades that you take on 2023. The algorithm or the way the market moves has evolved a bit. So stay updated with economic news, geopolitical events, and global trends that impact currency markets. Continuously improve your trading skills by learning from experienced traders and refining your strategies based on market analysis. So how can you do this? There's this platform called investing.com. So investing.com shows you all the fundamentals that you need. It has the economic calendar. For an example, here it shows you AUD, the RBA monetary policy statement that's going to be released in 5 hours and 15 minutes. So you can analyze this and see how the market might move. The markets that have like the AUD pair, JPY pair, the CAD pair, or the USD can be impacted. So make sure you play around with investing.com. Try and learn and compare how the market reacts to the news that show up here. So this is one way you can learn your fundamentals. Number 9, be patient and realistic. Becoming a consistently profitable trader takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and avoid chasing quick riches. Set realistic goals and focus on continuous improvement rather than trying to make substantial profits overnight. Number 10, control your emotions. Emotions can be detrimental to your trading success. Greed and fear can lead to impulsive decisions and irrational behavior. Stick to your trading plan and keep emotions in check, especially during losing streaks. So this is it from me today. I hope you took notes, and remember, in the description we have links of brokers that we trust. So please check them out and see if they work for you.